There are several reasons why a car may fail to start. Here are 3 common ones. 1. Battery issues. A dead or weak battery is one of the most frequent reasons for a car not starting. If you turn the key and hear a clicking sound or the engine cranks slowly, it is likely a battery problem. Batteries can die due to age, extreme temperatures, leaving lights or electronics on, or a faulty charging system. 2. Ignition system problems. The ignition system is responsible for generating the spark that ignites the fuel in the engine. Issues such as a faulty ignition switch, ignition coil, distributor cap, or spark plugs can prevent the spark from being produced, leading to a no-start condition. 3. Fuel system problems. If there is insufficient fuel reaching the engine, the car may not start. This can occur due to various reasons, including a clogged fuel filter, a malfunctioning fuel pump, an empty fuel tank, or a problem with the fuel injectors.